So we are opening up Tokadokis today. And it shows you on the bottom what the chase ones are. Yeah. Well, let's have some fun. Yes. Oh, I did. I got this bear dude. You got some rainbow dude. They're kind of cute.
Sure.
It's bigger than I thought they would be.
Oh.
That person looks like they have a club. They're gonna beat
I
us.
think it's a spoon.
Oh.
Okay. Well, they don't want to stand up, so that's fine.
That is fine.
That was rainbow ice, by the way. You got sweet panda.
Sweet panda. And that girl. Who's that girl? It's that girl.
That's sweet tooth. Completely different from the sweet tooth I'm familiar with.
Also adorable. Who'd you get?
I don't know.
I'm all like, who cares about boxes? Destroy.
All right, well, if you don't care, then
I mean, I care a little, but not really.
it's too late. That one's Donutella.
Donutella. Donutella me what?
It's the main character.
Alright. Last one.
Sorry, it's very unnatural
It
to have
is.
me sitting in. It's this one.
And this one.
It's the same picture. It's not Donutella because this one doesn't have a hat.
Oh.
This one
This
is Mochitella, and you got Cinnabella.
Oh. Fancy.
All right.
That was fun. Thanks for watching.